Hello, it's your boy, the Yo Bro. Today I want to be doing a LEGO tutorial on the buildings I did last week. I'm sorry, I would have tried to film this earlier during last week because I had a March break, but I had really busy and so I wasn't able to make a video then, but here it is and let's get to the tutorial. So first is the kitchen. You're gonna want to get a 1x6 brick with a 1x2 with a bar attachment to look as a window. Then you get 1x2 with a 2x2 on top. These little lever, or not levers, but one of the ones. You want to get a 2x1 brick with a little clip so you can attach a cup or pan or something else. Then you're gonna add this attachment. So simply just add a tile, some grills, a 1x1 jumper, then add a pan. You can put other stuff in the pan. I didn't. Get your original piece and attach it. Now we have to work on the walls. So it is a pretty normal standard step. Just get a, what is this? 6x8. Get some of these cool bridge piece. I don't even know what they're really called, but they're just cool. And then get a 2x3 microwave type piece thing to be the microwave. And you're just gonna put this here, and if you attach it to a wall, you can do something like this. Voila! Now we move on from the kitchen to start the couch. Start by getting a 4x4 plate, any color, tan or other neutral colors looks nice. Then get silver studs and put them in the corners. Do this, flip it over, you have that. Now we just have to add the cushions. So for the cushions, you're gonna want to get these cool pillow, whatever pieces they are. If you have a third pillow piece, that's great. I didn't, so I had to make one of these slope pieces. Then you just attach it in the middle and get one other. And then for the very front, I'm gonna add this. And then we have to add some armrests. So simply for the armresters, stack two 1x2 plates like I've already done. Add one of these arch pieces, a second one, and then a jumper plate, I believe they're called. Stuff like that. Get two of them, get your build, and now you just attach it to the sides. And now for this, it's going to be similar, but a little different. So instead of doing two 2x1 plates, you're going to want to get two 1x4 plates. Add a 1x2 plate on top, and beside that, you're just going to want to add this arch piece, like I talked about earlier, and the jumper, and just copy that out here. So then when you do get your couch, you can just put it in the back, if this will work. There we go. So now you have a nice couch. Simply for the table, literally just get one of these cone pieces. Got it in the Lego, what's it called? Sorry, in the Lego Boost set, and then you get one of these 4x4. I get but circular plates. I guess there's 2x. I don't even know what you call these. And then you just attach it, not right in the corner, the next one off from there, not in the center, but kind of like this, so that it leans over, and you can just stack that over there. Time to move on to the bathroom. So for the bathroom, I have a lot of little pieces that aren't actually fully connected. So I'm just gonna need to add them all together. We're gonna start with the toilet, because that is what people generally use the bathroom for. So you're gonna want to get a 1x2 white brick, probably white. Your toilet is generally white. Then you want to get a 1x1 clip, and then a 1x1 brick. Then you want to get a plunger piece. I don't know what they're actually called. Maybe a tennis, but I call them plungers. Then you want to get another 1x2 plate, or no, brick, sorry, and then a 1x2 tile. Then for the toilet actually itself, this is really interesting what I've done to kind of give it some texture, but you want a circular 2x2 plate, or whatever it's called, jumper with a little cone antenna. I don't know what they're called, but these discs, I guess. You add that so it looks a little agitated. Then you add the toilet bowl piece. I don't know what they're actually called, but they're generally used for toilets. And that actually looks really cool with how it's elevated and stuff. So we'll move on to the shower. So for the head of the shower, you're going to want to get a 1x3 brick, and then you're going to want to get. Let me get that. Then you are going to want to get one of these little pieces over here. I don't know exactly what they're called, but they have a little spout on them, 1x2 plate with a little spout. And then you just want to add little clear red and blue tiles, these stud tiles, if you will. Add a 1x1 white tile just to kind of even that out, and then you're gonna need some stuff on the inside. So get two 1x4s in white tiles. I didn't have that, so I had to get a 1x2 tile and then another 1x2 tile. Here, I'll move it back so you guys can see. Then you want to get one of this corner tiles things, and then you can build it against a wall. So you could do something like this or whatever, just to kind of build against a wall. That's the shower. Let's move on to the sink. So for the sink, we're actually going to start with these little whatever these things are that I was talking about earlier. These little slope pieces. Get a 2x4 plate. You're just going to stick that on there. And then you are going to want to get some of these corner tiles, corner tiles, and then a 1x2 tile right there. And then for the actual spout to it, you are going to want to get a 1x1 brick, another 1x1 brick, this time with a cheese slope, I believe they're called. And again, those arches that we talked about earlier, this time in a white, and then a white 1x1 tile, so you have something that looks like this. Or maybe if I do this, it might look a little, nope, sorry, wrong way, I was wrong. It has to go something like this. There is the bathroom. Let's move on to the bedroom. So as for the bedroom slash office, you're gonna want to start with a wall and a 1x4 brick. The 1x2 brick would work nice, or you could just get a 1x6. Then you just add these little, again, corner, but this time with the roof pieces. I don't even know what they're called. Again, it has to cover the entire space with that. In order to get a desk, I actually made a tutorial about this. Really simple tutorial, but this time we use a plate. So now you just get two 1x2 bricks with a 2x3 plate. Add a computer, something, I don't know, to this adjacent side here, so they have room for their hands here and room for their hands there. And now we have to work on the bed. So the bed's going to simply take a 4x6 plate with a 1x4 plate on top here. Then you just add these little curved slope pieces, whatever they're actually called, I don't know. Then you want to get a different color for the blankets, so, and 2x4 plates would work nice. For the ladder underneath, get a 2x1 clip plate piece with a ladder, your standard ladder piece. Again, in the inside, you're just gonna want to contract a 2x2 plate with a chair piece. Stick that over there beside the computer, and like so, you're gonna have your bed. Two little accessories that I forgot about. It is really cool if you add a computer over here, like a laptop, so they can watch stuff on there, or a little pillow piece up there. And yeah, that's the end of the video. So that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to subscribe. I'm very close to 200. I just really would like to get there. So if you guys can make sure to subscribe. I hope I'm planning some more content over the week. Hopefully I can. Don't take that as a promise, but I hope so. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. So goodbye. For now.
Yo, I'm the yo bro. Better subscribe cause I got good vibes. I do great mocks and I do great posts. Don't forget that I do lots more. Now you know. Well, you should be subscribed to the yo bro.